Why? 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 I'm quitting. I'm done trading. I'm becoming unprofitable. Oh my goodness. Why? Why? I love suicide. To me, I love suicide. No. What's wrong with Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm done. But I'm still in my feels about this. I just want you guys to look at this trade. I'm just like looking at it. Like I don't even want to say anything. It was so perfect. Everything was perfect. And yet this happens. All right. We're going to show you guys how I got this. I'm just in my feels. But let's do it. Oh my goodness. This actually makes me contemplate life a little. All right. Let's do this right now. What do we have in the hourly time frame? Actually, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's get this replay going. All right. What do we have on the hourly? We have this low. What do we have on NASDAQ? We have this low. Cool. What am I looking at next? I'm going down to the 5 minute. You guys already know what I'm going to look at. Oh. Oh my goodness. All right. What do we got? What happens? Bam. NASDAQ hits. ES hits. Already did a retrace. Bam. I'm favoring ES immediately. What do I want to target? I want to target this hourly. I want to target this hourly. Oh, actually, I want to target the 15. Sorry. So I targeted this, the high of this little tiny fair value gap on the 15 minute on NASDAQ. And then ES, 15 minute. So, in turn, what do I wait for? I wait for a retrace. Or I already got a retrace, so now I'm like, okay, I can move down to the 1 minute. I just need something to happen. We have news at 9 o'clock, so I can't even trade till 9. Can't even trade till 9. I'm going to start off with NASDAQ. Oh my goodness. NASDAQ, what happens? Hits TP1. I'm like, okay, I can't even trade NASDAQ today. Going over to ES. What happens on ES? Almost hits TP1. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm not even going to be able to trade. News comes out. What happens? Market takes a dump in a half. Then what happens? Look at this. SMT is created. So I'm like, okay, cool. SMT gets created. Right here, you can see on the 5 minute. Low gets created on NASDAQ or a higher low. Lower low. Completely favoring ES right now. Everything is on ES. All my money's on ES. And what happens on the 5 minute? I don't even look at the 5 minute usually. But what happens? Swept liquidity. Swept liquidity right there. So, in turn, what do? I go down to the 1 minute. What do I see on the 1 minute? I see this. What do I see on NASDAQ? It's all the way up there. I'm like, okay. I'm going to show you guys right now. Oh, why is it on 1? Oops. What does it do? It hits TP2 on NASDAQ. Hits the hourly high. Hits the 15 high. Cool. What am I doing? I'm looking at ES. We're still over here. So, in turn, we have SMT. We're about to get a break of structure. So what do? Third confluence. Actually, more than 3 confluences. Equilibrium. I take it off at equilibrium. Break structure. I'm like, oh gosh, this is going to rip. This is actually going to rip. I saw this huge down tracement and I was like, oh God. But I still decided to get in. I got in right here. Oops. Stops. TP1. Simple as that. What happens? 2 minutes later, 1, 2. Bam. Stopped out instantly. But wait, there's more. There's more. Don't worry. Don't you worry. What happens right here? Goes right here. Obviously, I didn't take this trade. It was way too late in the day for me. 9:30 hits. Did not take the trade. Even though he probably would have been in it. Yeah, I probably would have been in it sooner, but I still want to take the trade because I already took in this one. It's TP1. Bias was right. Everything was right today. Bias, entry should have been right. And it didn't work. And that's okay. NASDAQ decided to go up. And along with that, with this, for my TP2 and 3, I was going to do Fibonacci. So I was going to do Fibonacci. So that would have been TP2 and 3. And that would have been my trade. Instead, I got stopped out. Lost 1.5%. I de-risked a little bit because Powell was speaking at 1 p.m. today, Central Time. And yeah. That's all I got. Irritating loss for sure. I'm not too happy about it, but I am happy that I got in when I wanted to. I took the entry that I wanted to. I wanted everything. It just didn't work. It just simply did not work. And yeah, that was what I got today. So yeah. I don't even know if it had TP2. Yeah, it would have just stopped you out. But I mean, NASDAQ, you could have done the same thing with the Fibonacci. Oh. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, this is what you gotta do. I'm doing this so wrong right now. So it would have been TP1 right here. TP2. That would have been your Fibonacci. And yeah. Since we're at all-time highs, by the way, that's why I'm doing Fibonacci. There's nothing. There's nothing. So, but yeah, that was the trade for today. There is nothing I would have changed, except I'm like, sometimes it doesn't work, and that's okay. But I have never had two losing days in a while, so it's a little different seeing that right now. But it's just really shitty market conditions, and I'm tired. And the only thing you can do is manage your risk and move on. So tomorrow's a new day. And yeah, there's nothing I would change. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.